Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand refrigerator freezer and it's giving you an E5 error and you're trying to figure out what is this error and what can you do to get rid of it. So the E5 error is actually in the freezer compartment it's an error that has to do with the freezer compartment of your refrigerator freezer, and it's a defrost sensor error. So in order to avoid frost buildup, it has sensors. And if those sensors are not operating properly, you'll get this error. So there's a couple things that you can do. First, you want to check and make sure, do you have a whole bunch of frost buildup in there? And you also want to check, is there anything blocking the air circulating properly? Because both of those things can cause this error. And the last thing, if neither of those work, before you actually call a technician to come out and look at it, and it's kind of an annoying thing to do, but you can get these defrost errors when frost builds up, not inside the freezer, but between the walls of the freezer. Because basically what happens is there's condensation that then freezes, and then that can block and gum up sensors and all kinds of stuff. So if you do a full defrost, it will sometimes clear out these errors and you won't need to call somebody to come fix it. But anyways, hope this video helps you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.